Hey guys, it's me, I'm back, continuing my Pokemon. I don't know if you guys liked my little Mario part with my dad. I know he was a little annoying and all. Whatever. I love him, what can I say? He's my dad. So anyway, I completely forgot what I was doing. So we're just gonna be running around waiting until it says that I'm doing something. Then we'll be good, I guess. Crap. Sorry guys, I'm kinda tired. It's 2:07 a.m. So I'm being kinda quiet too. Crap. I just kinda punched in the midst of my attacker. I epically failed. To epic measures. I'm guessing I'm trying to find the stairs. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's find those stairs, man. Get off my homie. That's right, son. What? Oh. Okay. The AR retards when you leave them alone. They're just like, what do I do? Oh, dang. Hope you didn't see my face. Peace. Okay. Oh my god. Go this way. No, this way. Oh shit. Oh. I didn't know it was attacking me. I was like, what the fuck? I don't even know, it was just scared me. Oh, just quick attack you across. Aww. That recovers for the failed quick attack. So we're getting hungry. So this is we're just gonna grab this dude, get out of here. If that's the mission anyway. Oh, never mind. It's just gonna be gay like that. Yo, dude, get. I name you Bobby. Transport. Oh, so he doesn't just get transport, it's magic. Yes. Yes. Click. Oh dang. Yes. Jeez. It took its time, didn't it? I was waiting for that to happen for so long. My channel. Okay. You guys can hear I got my computer right next to me. I think now 36 views. Oh, 36 total upload views. Channel views 76. That's what day 77. Okay. Another good day for you. Wow. The light. Ugh, man. Saving continue. Yeah, as I said, guys, I'm gonna get this done for you guys. God, dad's a dog. Daxter's walking around, scaring the balls out of me. Very big and delicious. This is probably one of my least favorite missions in the whole game. Well, it is, but Oh, it sucks. I just hate it. It's hard to explain my hatred for this level. It's quite large. No, guys, hold up. You might not be able to see for a second, okay? Just don't freak out about it. Just look at that beautiful screen. I'll be right back. It was too bright. Sorry. You guys can see me too well. I don't want people to see me. My videos. Okay. Forgot what we're doing? Oh yeah. I wanted to go get some gummies. And store my money because I'm probably gonna die. Store. Oh yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna be saving my money. I'm not gonna buy anything until a lot later. Like a lot later. Because I say I want to buy TMs. Because I like moves. Oh, shut up. I'm trying to take Reviver, Pink, Max. Okay, that'll do. Wait. Did I take it? No. Take. Yes. Okay. Let's go to Spinda's Cafe. Get some upgrades. How's it going, Spinda? I have a lot of gummies. Let's use this orange gummy. Me, of course I will. That's right. Get you a swinger. Shake it that way. Me. What are my most views? My update and my first Pokemon. Awesome. So the Pokemon, the first one get the most, and the update get the most. Okay. Me, of course. Who else would drink it? You think I would let my partner drink? No, he's way too responsible for that. I won't have a great day. I gotta do the horrible mission. Apple Woods. Let's do it. Okay, let's do this. This I probably won't get hungry here. Go get some apples. Okay, let's do this. It's on, son. Ugh. Not in the mood. Not in the mood either. I need to level up a lot. Dang. I'm so low level. I never even noticed. Ooh, grass got me. Items. Eat the gummy. Eat it. I command thee to eat it. Oh,